Every other Wednesday, we hold a Senate meeting in which our senators vote on potential student organizations. What do we look for in potential student organizations, you might ask? Let me tell you. First, we're looking for student organizations that show a real passion, a real drive, a real motivation for why they want to be a real student organization.
Why do I like avocados? Let's go to Mike. Mike, why do you like avocados?
For like a billion reasons.
Name one.
They're good for your skin. They're good for your mouth.
How?
Because they're yummy.
So why us? Illinois Tech people are do-it-yourself kind of people. They like to build things and make cool projects.
And we have a lot of projects in mind. For example, we want to help get the students together to make the U Farm a more beautiful place.
Next, we'd love to see a detailed budget proposal that's not too crazy.
We need money. 5,000 to be specific. Why do we need the money, Mike?
So we're working on a plan to get every student their very own avocado. Isn't that avocado?
That's avocado dope, Mike.
So we've talked with the architecture department and got them to donate a large amount of their scrap materials to our works. We only need $100 for supplies.
And we need $150 for the annual DIY competition and $25 for that good Pizza Hut.
Oh, Pizza Hut?
No, not yet.
It'd be great to hear if you have an executive board or you've held some previous meetings.
Exec board, schmeck board. We don't need that. Not yet, at least.
We're probably just gonna appoint the ripest avocado we find to be supreme leader.
We elected our executive board, so we have our president, our vice president, our treasurer, our secretary.
In addition to that, we have some first years on our board, which will help the longevity of our club.
We'd love to hear about what you've already done.
What have we already done? Eating a bunch of avocados. That's called research.
We also made these slides.
You know how long that took?
We've already done a lot of projects. For example, we built this.
And so with that, we want to bring our experience to the Illinois Tech community and basically show them how to build amazing things like this.
And maybe end on a good tagline.
If you avocado don't vote us in, that's not good.
If you're not gonna do it,
Then let us do it.
ourselves.
But in the end, the Student Government Association is looking for student organizations that are passionate, that bring a group of students together that weren't unified before, that meets an interest that wasn't met at all on this campus. We're looking for your next big idea. So come present at the Student Government Association.